Gotta be. That legit somehow gave me a second.
Oh boy.
Up here look like Dark Souls enemies. Part of Highway 58, like a back end.
I made it to this spot. Looks like they're both locked. Yeah. Yeah, they're locked. Oh no. This one's open. Oh man. Wow, this is depressing actually. Dang. I mean, not really. Check this out though. Look how sad this is. Look at this toilet. Oh, it just leads down there.
Really? It's just a hole?
Yeah, I'm gonna shine a light down the toilet hole.
Wow.
Someone's already crapped in here. Ugh, it's disgusting. Oh well. I'm just looking over here for a second. I heard people. I don't know. Seriously, they're still talking? Okay, well, that's the area. I'm not sure if the GoPro could pick up their voice, but there was like workers somewhere.
You understand, I heard them clear as day speaking Spanish.
They were down there. I don't hear them anymore. We can't. They're right over there. Okay, let's go. The workers. I don't know if you can see the workers. They're like right there. Well, let's go. Let's get down this trail. I know. There's like 9 workers over there. I don't understand. How were they there? We didn't notice them. And how did they not notice us? That's the question. Like, why did they not come over here? If they just walked up that hill, there's no way they were there before.
Well, we heard them close.
Well, let's walk kind of deep into this trail, and then we'll...
Let's walk extra.
Yeah, let's walk deep.
First little chill spot with these
There's a bunch of wind hitting. Not sure if it's about to rain, but it looks like it. I kind of hope it doesn't, but I'm prepared for it. This is trippy. The temperature dropped so much. Oh man. So that blue dot is where I am, and that's currently what is passing us right now. So yeah, no wonder it's getting like this. Okay, so we both went back to the beginning of the trail. It's right up here. I don't know if these workers are still up here. I don't know if you even saw them in the clips, but there was like 5 people sitting over there doing something. I don't know what they're doing, but they didn't seem to care. I mean, we were loud as we walked up, so I don't know how they didn't hear us, but I don't think it'll be an issue, but it's just like people. Anyway, there's a storm coming in right now. I checked my map. You saw in the video, there's a storm coming, and hopefully it doesn't hit us. I don't think it will. It's going around us, but you never know. Backlash rain. Oh, I'm slipping. Anyway, the bathroom's right here. Hopefully these people are gone. I don't know, but if it starts raining, we're gonna have to take refuge in this bathroom, because where else are we gonna go? Good Lord. What? I know. I don't see anybody. Okay. So, if you saw them, they were over here gathered in this little area in the corner. I don't know what they're doing. I'm not sure what their job was, but they're gone. And this storm is like right over there. Oh man. But anyway. Bathroom. Okay, so we're now leaving this area and we're gonna walk over to my old middle school, to the baseball field. We're gonna hang around there for a little bit, just because memories, why not? Storm's over there, it passed us, we're fine. So now we gotta go like all the way back there somewhere, behind those trees, those big tree line. We have to go like down the road, obviously, but it's a distance. Well, we're going this way instead now. I guess it works out. There's my high school. Done with ya! Well, fuck, never mind then. Damn.
That rat.
So now we're gonna split up. Just because why not? He's gonna go around that way. I'm gonna go around this way because it's a lot easier. And I have flip-flops. And the grass is actually pretty tall once you get up on it. So have fun, fam! Oh, you have the vape too. I'm walking down the road to get to my school. Right down here, there's another little side road. I filmed it as we were coming in to the highway, and that leads up to behind my school, or behind the baseball field at the school. So that's where I'm going. This was the middle school that I went to for all my years. A lot of memories happened at the baseball field, so I just kind of wanted to go back and just see what everything looks like, kind of relive that, get the feeling, the nostalgia. Just I've done it before, I like doing it, and now that I'm out of high school, like I'm completely out of school altogether, it's weird. It's like, oh, I was here years ago having fun. Now it's like I'm here, an adult. So yeah, I'm gonna go do this. Maybe he heard me. He's right there. Oh, there's so much water through here. Oh no. Oh God. This is ridiculous. We made it back here. We came out up there. So many thorns, so many ticks. But now we're gonna get to the school. I always sat up here and chilled with my friends. He was over there, well, wherever he went, he was one of them. But right up there in that corner is where I always stayed.